But as to Jesus, trust Him to give you the answer. Your burdens to Jesus, put your trust in Him always.
God said that you have got to trust in me. I am He who supplies all your needs, and I have never let you down, and I never will. So give your burdens and lay them at my feet. Give you all the answers. He's faithful in all that He promised. God is not a man that He should lie. He's consistently loved you right from the start. Won't you trust in Him always? Oh, what peace that is often forbidden. Oh, because you do not carry your carry everything to God. Say no sometimes.
To make you forsake and know that He's in control.
Just remember,
God
dressed in white.